Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two of the most powerful processors on the market, the AMD Ryzen 7700X and the Intel Core i9-14900K. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance metrics, and user reviews to help you decide which processor is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these CPUs is crucial for making an informed decision. When it comes to core count, the Intel Core i9-14900K takes a significant lead with 24 cores, compared to the AMD Ryzen 7700X's 8 cores. This higher core count allows the i9-14900K to excel in heavily multi-threaded applications, making it an ideal choice for professional content creators and power users who require maximum performance. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7700X, while having fewer cores, still offers impressive performance, particularly in gaming scenarios where high clock speeds can make a noticeable difference. Price is another critical factor to consider. The AMD Ryzen 7700X is priced at $399, offering an excellent price-to-performance ratio, especially for gamers and those on a budget. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-14900K comes with a hefty price tag of $649. While it delivers superior performance, the higher cost may not be justifiable for all users, particularly those who do not require the extra cores for their tasks. Ultimately, your budget will play a significant role in your decision. In terms of performance, both processors shine in their respective areas. The AMD Ryzen 7700X is known for its exceptional gaming performance, providing smooth gameplay at high settings. Meanwhile, the Intel Core i9-14900K excels in multi-threaded workloads, making it perfect for tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Users have reported high frame rates and stability with the Ryzen 7, while the i9-14900K's additional cores allow it to handle demanding applications with ease. Choosing between them will depend on whether your primary focus is gaming or professional content creation. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 7700X and Intel Core i9-14900K are excellent processors, each catering to different needs. The Ryzen 7 offers great performance at a more affordable price, making it suitable for gamers and casual users. On the other hand, the i9-14900K, with its higher core count and superior multi-threading capabilities, is ideal for professionals who need the best performance possible. Be sure to consider your specific requirements and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.